Hi! In front of me is VIVO V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. Begin by opening Messages app, then select one of your chats. When you finished, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Images category. Now just click on your photo that you wish to add. And as you can see, after that, my picture was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!